Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage investment trends with CNBC step by step clearly. Open the CNBC website or app on your device. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Navigate to the home page where trending stocks and news are prominently displayed. Click on the Markets tab to view the latest market trends and indices. Explore the investment section for focused articles on specific investment strategies and trends. Use the search bar to find particular topics or stocks of interest. Watch the latest videos covering market analysis and expert predictions. Check out the newsletter option to sign up for daily updates on market trends. Engage with the CNBC Pro features for in-depth analysis and exclusive content if you have a subscription. Follow prominent analysts and market commentators on social media linked from the CNBC site. Stay updated on economic indicators and reports by checking the news section regularly. Set alerts for specific stocks or sectors to receive notifications on significant changes. Participate in live discussions and webinars hosted by CNBC for real-time insights. Use the interactive tools provided by CNBC to create your own portfolio and track performance. Regularly review the information collected to refine your investment strategies. Adjust your investments based on insights and trends observed on the CNBC platform. Maintain a consistent routine of checking for updates to stay informed about market movements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.